All right, welcome to Monster Transmission. We are here at our new facility, and specifically, we are in our product showcase room going over the 6L80 SportMonster. We're going to talk about a couple of things that we do to set the transmission apart from competitors, and also, handle higher horsepower and torque applications that you're going to deal with out on the road. So first off, you're going to see here a nice gold converter. That's going to be our billet Thor converter. Comes with every 6L80 transmission that we build here at Monster. And then when we get into talking about reducing heat, which is the #1 killer transmissions, we got to look at some things like clutches, right? We go with Red Alto clutches. High quality, great name in the industry. Red Alto clutches, Hyper Blue piston. Those two things are going to help reduce friction, which obviously creates more heat the more friction you have. Don't forget, you got your cooler bypass. This is important. Cooler flow is essential for keeping the heat down on your transmission. You want to make sure you've got a good, consistent flow, and that bypass is going to take care of that for you. Last thing we want to talk about is the shift kit. Transmission comes with a shift kit. Now, our shift kits, we know you drive this every day. You don't want it slamming into gear just at moderate throttle. So our shift kits are designed that daily driving and moderate throttle is going to feel like stock, but when you get on it, it's going to be more aggressive. Obviously, more aggressive, less slippage, less heat, right? Those are all things that help prolong the life of your transmission. So again, just a couple of things we do here at Monster Transmission, specifically on the 6L80 transmission. If you have any questions, give us a call, check us out online, Monster Transmission.